My name's Helen, I'm from London and I'm a mindful movement and meditation teacher. I started doing yoga after work because I needed something to make me leave work on time. I did that for a few years and I just absolutely loved it. Particularly in the digital world, we can feel a little bit disconnected from our actual bodies. We'll be hunched in a chair for hours. So I think it's a nice way to really listen to yourself.
As she continued doing yoga, Helen took some teacher training courses. Initially, it was just to improve her skills, never thinking she'd actually want to teach. But later on, she thought, why not give it a try?
I started it and I just caught the bug, I think. I just love it.
Eventually, this led to teaching corporate clients in her own studio, all while putting out free content on YouTube. Then 2020 came along.
During the pandemic, my income obviously took a hit because my in-person classes went away. So I started doing a YouTube membership. They take 40% of your income, so it's a huge hit. And I was finding I didn't have much control over members or my content, and I didn't like that. So I originally had a Squarespace website. I was going to use their plugin, which is a membership thing, but that actually was more complicated than I realized.
So, while looking for the best way to launch her membership site, Helen's work caught the attention of someone who knew the perfect solution.
A web developer approached me and said he was building his portfolio and he would like to make a site for me, and I was like, absolutely. I bit his hand off. He'd already used MemberPress and he was singing its praises. He kind of really sold it to me and he was like, we can do this, we can do that. And I was just like, this sounds amazing, let's go for it.
So in November 2021, the My Mindful Movement membership experience was launched. It's got a large video library of full-length classes, live Zoom and monthly theme classes, giveaways, Spotify playlists, and more. And just like with many membership sites, the community is a key component, which Helen offers through a private Facebook group.
You know you're in a space with like-minded people, so a place like YouTube, anyone can join the party and not necessarily people that are the vibe. So it's nice to kind of narrow it to just our little group.
Sharing her expertise online has attracted a wide variety of people to the community.
I have people from high school basketball teams, and then my oldest client is 86, I believe. And I just get some of the most heartwarming emails from people, you changed my life. I'm just like, wow, I never thought I would reach this wide an audience.
With a busy schedule of classes, it's important to have a platform that's quick and easy to use. And since she releases regular content, Helen can't rely on her developer to make every change she needs.
Actually, the back end is way simpler than I was anticipating. I was really oh my goodness, I don't know if I'm going to be able to do this. But actually, when you look at it, it's actually so user-friendly, genuinely. I've added members of my family, really easily. I add the videos myself as well. That's super easy to add them into each category.
Not only is MemberPress really easy to get up and running, but it's also designed to scale up as you grow your business. Turns out, Helen has many plans to expand My Mindful Movement.
I'm looking to put together corporate packages, so if people want to treat their employees with a little wellness package. Plans for this year are also to use the affiliate plugin. It's quite easy to plug in with MemberPress. I've got this vision that it's going to grow nicely because people will recommend it to their friends and their family, and even though it grows, it's still going to feel quite tight-knit, I think.
Visit mymindfulmovement.co to learn more and get moving. Also, have knowledge you want to share with the world? Start getting paid for the content you create. Sell online courses, digital downloads, videos, live Zoom classes, and much more, all right on WordPress. Visit MemberPress.com to get started today. If you liked the video, be sure to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos that makes getting MemberPress up and running a breeze.